This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Flavia Burl. Beautiful homestead in 15.36 acres. First time available for purchase in over a century. The home is a suite 2-bedroom, 1 full bathroom bungalow with original custom cabinets, Formica countertops and laundry room on the main floor. The cellar is large enough for a workshop. It used to be a working farm, so among its many features are a well, not currently being used, smokehouse, hen house, outbuilding, large detached garage and storage 24x32, and an extra workshop/garage 20x23. The lot is sloped and approximately 12 acres out of the 15.36 acres are heavily wooded with an untouched forest. Great community of Whitehall. Just 10 minutes from the west side shopping. Sale includes 3